What if I told you the best free gold IRA kit could end up being the most important financial decision you make this year? Right now, millions of Americans are watching the markets bounce like a yo-yo, unsure of what to do next. And if you're nearing or already in retirement, you can't afford to ride that roller coaster. Not when your life savings are on the line. That's exactly why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs, not as a trend, but as a shield. A smart, time tested way to protect what they've worked their entire lives to build. But here's the problem: most of the information out there is confusing, salesy, or just plain misleading. Hidden fees, overpriced coins, gimmicky, free silver traps, and once you give them your info, you get bombarded with calls from commission hungry reps. That's why the right free gold IRA kit matters more than ever, because not all kits are created equal. Some are just thinly veiled pitches, but others, like the one we're offering, are built to educate, not pressure. Inside this free guide, you'll learn how gold IRAs actually work, the most common mistakes retirees make when opening one, how to spot the overpriced gold scams, and the step-by-step process to move your money without triggering penalties or taxes. You'll finally get that aha moment where it all clicks: why gold has historically been used to preserve wealth, why it's different from stocks, and why more Americans are choosing to diversify into it during times of inflation, bank instability, and global uncertainty. And here's the thing most people forget: retirement isn't just about you, it's about what you leave behind, what you've built, what you'll pass on, and that deserves protection. So if you've got over $100,000 saved in an IRA or 401k, and you're even thinking about how to keep it safe for the next 10, 20, 30 years, do not wait. Click the link in the description and get your free gold IRA guide right now. You'll also get access to a no-pressure, one-on-one call with an expert whose only goal is to help you understand your options. No sales tactics, no surprise fees, no strings attached. You worked hard to build your retirement. Now it's time to protect it, for yourself and for the next generation.